Welcome to this guided meditation for relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow yourself to let go of any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a warm, soothing light gently enveloping your body. With each breath, feel this light spreading through your body, relaxing every muscle and easing every thought. Focus your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with calm. And then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Notice how your body feels with each breath. Let go of any areas of tightness or discomfort. Visualize yourself in a peaceful, serene place, a quiet forest, a calm beach, or a gentle meadow. Picture the details of this place, the colors, the sounds, the sensations. Feel the tranquility of this environment washing over you, bringing you a deep sense of peace. As you continue to breathe, let go of any lingering stress or worries. Allow them to drift away like leaves floating down a gentle stream. Feel your mind becoming calm and clear, free from distractions. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes when you are ready. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember that this sense of relaxation is always within reach, and you can return to this calm place anytime you need. Thank you for joining this meditation. Have a peaceful day.